In this video, I will show you how to delete chat history in Gemini. So if you are looking to remove your old conversations, clear your Gemini activity, and just keep your account history clean, then make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to delete your chat history step by step. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you want to do first is come across to Google Gemini. So if you come across to gemini.google.com, log into your account. From here, to delete your Gemini chat history, all you need to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto activity. Now once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this. From here, if you scroll down, you're going to find your complete chat history, so you can delete these one by one just by simply clicking across next to the chat that you want to delete. Just click delete on the confirm option and you're going to see a window come up saying deletion complete. So just click onto got it. Now if you want to completely delete your chat history, just simply click onto the delete box which is above your activity. What you can then do is choose when to delete your activity for. So you can see there's an option for all time. Give that a click. It's going to ask if you want to delete the following activity, which I've only got one more chat on here, so you would just click on to delete. So as you can see, it now says deletion complete, and all you need to do is click on to got it. Now if you actually want to stop Gemini from saving your chat history as well, you can do that from this screen. So if you come up to the top, you can see an option about keeping your activity, and what you want to do is change here where it says on. So if you give this a click and click on to turn off, you're going to get a quick window come up like this. Click on to got it, and that's going to turn off your activity history and stop Gemini from saving any future chats. So that's how to delete chat history on Gemini. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.